Let's go see how we could part time. Now you this. Yes, sir. So you plant all them banana here?
One there, one on bandit, you shoot her.
Okay.
That's a pig one there.
You're a pig?
Yeah man, see sweet pepper them there, sweet pepper and tree and thing. You can go down there and look.
Okay.
See a plot and dash in or something. See, take it. Now, Joe. Wall it for you and me have to clean up and plant it, isn't it? I'll go and wear around this time and go all around the same to plant it.
Alright, shit. A full banana that.
Eh? My one
Are you a banana that?
thing.
Wow.
Watch Michelle Latin ripe in banana when ripe.
Yes, what's your son name?
Jaquan.
Jaquan, respect. Nice to meet you.
I take time to clean up it, isn't
Good. Yes, yeah. Wow, a real farming thing. A real thing. Yes, Keke. Wow.
So you come here, man, a big farm, bigger farm, you look for. You see, we around the corner, we look for, and I say, oh man. I say, you can go straight round for me and go with it. Go up there and cut it up, little,
Make sure you fold up on the shirt and wear it every day. You know.
you put in, what you feel? Okay, I cut it, yeah, keep out there now.
Yes, sir.
It's probably nice pink so we can't find them general. Yo, Dad, come.
So may I follow you?
Yo, Dad, come.
Jamaica Good Life family, St. Mary representing. And this is the way St. Mary, Jamaica Good Life farmers. Mr. Brown? See the man them there. Eccleston? See the man them there. Big man them, see them there. And farmers them. Look there. That's how them treat me. That's how them treat me around here, sir. Shane, cut off your one. Me say cut off your one, man. Wow, you see that? You see that? See that people? Look what the man give me. Cane, pepper.
I'm buying breadfruit too, you know. Where did that one?
Breadfruit.
Oh, good. You good. Fix it up nice. You see, you get two different. Two different cane you get. White cane and crayfish cane.
So when the other people them come, so now go take care of them? So everybody will come when I take care of them?
Right. You want banana?
Oh, give me banana too?
Come show you. Come show you banana.
Yeah, show the people them. Show the people them shit. Show the... Don't, you know? Is that sister in me I go get?
Yeah, still in.
You see? She not take care right. The way? Wow. St. Mary. So when you come at Scottsall, I saw them I go treat you now.
Yeah, man, just
make sure I deal with it nice.
No, put a plus in there, man.
Put that there. How for that one? You know that.
So St. Mary, may I try to bring you now. Since it's at the hospital, Maroon Town,
Yeah.
indigenous, you have to go show the love to the ghetto youth them.
Yeah,
But
man.
if you can bring in food to the ghetto youth them, yeah. So where am I drop for that? Alright, brother. Ketchup Biggs.
Yeah, in front of you.
It's a pleasure. When I left from it. Alright? One love. One love.
One of
Shane.
What me do?
I'm gonna go love on her for this.
Yeah, the drop man.
St. James, Jamaica Good Life farmers are going to breadfruit.
Yeah.
And the fisherman don't get this so you know.
Right?
Yes.
Alright.
So now show love to the fisherman them. So when them forward down here so, remember say only this. You know, come over here so stand in front of my back. Come on, have to do this. Come, please. Me beg you now, come. Stay right there, sir. No, left it open. Wanna stay at the side. Wanna make history. And this way me did want to do. Me vision it. And vision it. Come forward. Jamaica Good Life from I St. Mary farmer them send it for
Mary Farmer Junction, love on
yeah. Tell them.
Fort Mary
Tell them.
Junction,
Tell
love on
them.
St. Mary, Street Youth, love on we love on
St. Mary.
love your St. Mary,
St. Mary.
big up St. Mary who come from,
Alright.
love on
Alright. Wanna share it up, alright? I said nothing. Guidance, keep it. That next time. That one then alright.
Okay, jelly.
No, that's for my mother.
no, the boss Charlie.
Alright? Just be good. Alright, take care. Remember, YouTube, Jamaica Good Life, alright?